Alright, good morning everyone. Continuing my series with poorly shot, horribly edited, and terribly narrated videos. This morning I have a Intermountain AC-12 N-scale 48882 cab forward. I originally wasn't going to shoot a video of this, but I just figured it was kind of cool. So this was a DCC ready version that I converted to LokSound. I basically took a V5 micro and modified it and soldered an 8-pin plug to it, and installed it in the tender along with a dual sugar cube setup and programmed sound file SO509. Once I got a couple of minor assembly issues dealt with on the Intermountain issue, it seems to run pretty good. So without further ado, we're just gonna get moving. Runs pretty good, at least I think. And there we go. Intermountain AC-12 4882 cab forward with ESU LokSound. And just for grins, we're going to throw that GS4 on now, since normally I don't even film those anymore because I've converted so many of them. But since it's here, and here we go. A Southern Pacific GS4 Wartime Black with ESU LokSound installed. This has a 58731 board, dual sugar cube speakers in the tender. They had a few other things. I'm not going to dwell too much on this one. I got plenty of videos on the GS4. Alright, there we go. With the GS4, Kato GS4 and Intermountain AC-12 with ESU LokSound. Yeah, have a great day.